The future of law is here, and honestly, it looks nothing like the traditional legal industry most people grew up imagining. For decades, law firms operated inside relatively fixed business models, billable hours, staff-heavy operations, expensive overhead, fragmented software, and slow-moving systems. Most firms were forced to adapt around technology created by outside companies. Lawyers rented infrastructure, but rarely owned it. That era is beginning to change, because AI has fundamentally shifted the economics of building technology itself. And now, for the first time in history, lawyers can begin operating not just as legal professionals, but as technology firm owners, as innovators, as infrastructure builders. That's the shift happening right now beneath the surface of the legal industry. And honestly, it may become one of the most disruptive transformations the profession has ever experienced. Because lawyers already possess something incredibly valuable: logic, systems thinking, pattern recognition, and workflows, operational structures, negotiation frameworks, drafting methodologies, and deep institutional knowledge. Historically, all of that intelligence remained trapped inside billable hours, meetings, documents, or isolated client interactions. But AI changes that equation completely. Now, legal expertise itself can become programmable infrastructure. That means law firms can begin building proprietary legal technologies, AI-powered drafting ecosystems, and client intelligence platforms. Educational systems, operational dashboards, workflow engines, internal AI knowledge systems, and scalable digital ecosystems. That changes everything. Because suddenly, the law firm is no longer just a service provider, it becomes a technology company. An infrastructure company, a media company, an education company, and an intellectual property company, all at the same time. That creates entirely new categories of opportunity. New markets, new partnerships, new licensing models, new revenue streams. And the firms that move early may become category leaders inside the next generation of legal infrastructure. This is why the Build Legal Technology TM movement matters so much, because the future winners in law may not simply be the largest firms. The winners may be the firms building the smartest ecosystems, the firms owning operational intelligence and proprietary systems, AI infrastructure, media channels, educational ecosystems, and scalable intellectual property. That's where the leverage is moving. And honestly, it's an incredibly exciting time to be alive as a lawyer willing to innovate. Because AI is lowering barriers that historically prevented small and solo firms from building technology. Now, one visionary lawyer, with the right systems, can build infrastructure that previously required enterprise budgets and years of complexity. That's revolutionary, and the emotional part of this shift is important too. Many brilliant lawyers spent decades trapped inside systems they never truly controlled, expensive SaaS subscriptions, fragmented workflows, and operational bottlenecks. AI finally creates the possibility of leverage beyond labor. That's the breakthrough. Not replacing lawyers, amplifying lawyers, helping them evolve from service providers into infrastructure owners. And honestly, we're only at the beginning. The future of law is not coming. It's already here. See you later, innovator.